In this video, I'll be telling you guys the common mistakes a beginner make in the Mailchimp. For that, you have to follow the video till the end to know how many mistakes you are making right now. So first thing first is that visit the link in the description, then you will land on the dashboard over here, log in with your official account, and then what you need to know is that if you are working with a store, Shopify store, or maybe a WooCommerce store or any e-commerce store, please connect that store with your MailChimp, add your contact list. Make if you're using a free plan, the contact list should be of 250 people because there is a hard stock for that. Make sure that your domain is verified, the DKIM, the SPF records are verified, and your website is live. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. So, in order to optimize your delivery rate, optimize your landing pages, I have separate videos for that. You can do it as well. But the common mistake people actually make is that do not verify their email, they do not verify their domains, they do not verify the records, and they do not connect their stores, they do not connect the connect list and all this stuff. So these are some steps that improves the delivery. It improves overall your content and branding space in Mailchimp. Otherwise, if you don't have the domain verified, you won't be able to send any email, or you won't be able to publish any landing page on your website or your domain. So that is the most common mistake a person make. Make sure that you don't do that and you fix it. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.